nihonshu. Nihonshu is mean Japanese sake or Japanese white. The word sake also is Japanese language. So if we want to say in the true or the right way or the correct way, we can say Japanese white. Nihonshu is mean Japanese white. The word Nihon is mean Japan, and the word shu is from the word sake or osake. Sake or osake is mean white, but in here sake or osake is mean Japanese wine, not the wine from other country. They don't say sake. So this kanji nihonshu or nihon no osake is mean Japanese white. Maybe many people already see the Japanese wine. I see in the picture in here we have a cup, a small cup and a big cup, right? So actually Japanese wine they will put in the big cup, and if they want to drink they will put a little bit to the small glass and they can drink it. And that's the Japanese style to drink white or Japanese wine or nihonshu. And actually the normally in Japan house or Japan home, Japanese home, every father they have the nihonshu or Japanese sake or in the house, and they will use the nihonshu to drink when they eat dinner or breakfast, before they eat dinner or breakfast. Why? Because they use, when you drink a little bit wine, Japanese wine, to your mouth, you feel that you eat something not delicious. So you just eat a little bit so you can control your health, right? You can control your weight. So if you don't drink, you feel that you eat many things really delicious, and at that time you start to eat a lot, so that you cannot control your weight, and you can your body can be fat, right? So these are the good idea for how to control the health, and they just eat a little bit to make the mouth to be eat something not delicious. So this is about a good idea for how to use nihonshu. They don't drink so much. They